All right, here's a good question, a stoich question. It says, what volume of oxygen gas, at, temperature's 26, so I need to figure that out. 26 plus 273.15, 0.15992. So the temperature's 299.15 Kelvin. And 1.02 atmospheres. I have to convert that too to kilopascals. 1.02 atmospheres times 1 atmosphere is the same as 101.325 kilopascals. Calculator. Where's my calculator? There it is. So 1.02 times 101.325. So that's the pressure is 103.3515 kilopascals. Okay, and what volume of gas measured with 5 grams of glucose? 5.00 grams of glucose. So I'm starting with a mass, that would be right up here, and I'll do step 1 to get moles, then step 2 to get across to moles of oxygen. So this is the oxygen side, this is the glucose side. Okay, so that's step 2. And then step 3, it looks like I'm going to a gas. So I'll be going down here, that's step 3. Okay, so step 1, I need to take mass of glucose and convert it to moles of glucose. Okay, I can use this formula to do that. Mass is 5 grams. Molar mass of glucose, there's 6 carbons and 12 hydrogens. That's 12.12. And there are 6 oxygens. 6 times 16, I think, is 96. 6 carbons, that's 7206, I think. Okay, add those up. 8, 1, that's 10, 180.18 grams per mole. So I go 5, divide 180.18, and that gives me 0.02775 moles of glucose. Okay, step 1 done. Step 2, I need to go from moles of glucose to moles of oxygen. So it'll be 0.02775 moles of glucose times, okay, glucose, I didn't balance the equation. 6, that'll be 12, 18. I have 6 over here already, so I need another 12, so that'll be 6. Okay, good. Whew. So 1 mole of glucose reacts with 6 moles of oxygen. Okay, so I have to just take that number that I had and times it by 6. Hey, morning.
Yeah.
I'm just making a chemistry video. Come on in. Start when you like.
Okay, I'm just gonna go over here so I can't see any test while I study.
All right. Okay, so that's moles of oxygen. And now, step 3 is to take the moles of oxygen and the pressure and temperature that they gave us and convert that into volume of oxygen. So I use the ideal gas law, looking for volume. So the moles are 0.1665 moles of oxygen times 8.314 times the temperature was 299.15 divided by the pressure, 103.3515. So multiply that out, and that'll get you your volume. Hope that helps.